Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Photos. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your Google Photo, next thing you want to do is to select a particular photo or video that you want to hide. Let's say, for instance, I want to hide this photo right here. So I'm going to select the photo. Having selected on the photo, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to swipe this way. Swipe this way and click on move to lock folder. Click on that, then click on move. Move into lock folder. Now, once you move the lock folder, you can click on view right here, then enter your lock pattern or security code. Then you have access it back into your lock folder. So this is the image right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to hide files or pictures in your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.